Good morning everyone. Today we are starting chapter number 21, question tags. A question tag is a short question, either positive or negative, added to a statement in order to get it confirmed. So what is a question tag? It is a short question. This question tag, it may be positive or negative, and it is added to a statement to confirm it. See the examples. A. Sachin is a good player, isn't he? So statement is positive and we can see question tag is negative. These two words, isn't he, that is question tag. B. Rohit did not play well in the cricket match. Did he? So did he is a question tag. Types of question tags. There are two types of question tags, positive question tags and negative question tags. Tags like are you, shall we are positive question tags which are attached to negative statements for getting confirmation. So positive question tags, they are always added to the negative statements. See, you didn't call him, did you? We can say the statement is negative and we have used positive question tag. B. She did not speak well. Did she? Here did not. Word not is used. That's why ये कैसा है? It's a negative sentence. And the question tag is positive question tag. Negative question tag. Tags like isn't it, didn't you are negative question tags which are attached to positive statements for seeking agreement of the listener. So, negative question tags, they are added to positive statements or sentences. And these are used to take the agreement of the listener. A. He played well, didn't he? The statement is positive and the question tag is negative. B. They danced well. Here also statement kaisa hai? It's positive and question tag is negative. Formation of question tags. So how do we form question tags? First one, a question tag comprises of only two words like didn't you, did you, are you or shall we. Question tag है वो comprises कितने words का बना है? Of two words. Second point, the auxiliary verb used in both the statements and the question tag should be same. So statement में whichever auxiliary verb is used, the same auxiliary verb we should use in the question tag. She is a dancer, isn't she? So here auxiliary verb is and over here also the auxiliary verb is. Third point, subject of both the question tag and the statement should be same. So we had already seen कि auxiliary verb है, it should be same in the statement and question tag. Subject also needs to be same in the statement as well as in the question tag. We use a pronoun of the same person as the subject. Now in question tag we don't write the noun but we use the pronoun for it. See, India is the largest democracy, isn't it? So India is the subject and we write pronoun it for that. India is the subject of the statement and in question tag instead of India pronoun it has been used. Fourth point, if the statement is positive we use a negative question tag. For a negative statement we use a positive question tag. We have already seen that over here that if the sentence will be positive the question tag will be negative and if the sentence will be negative question tag will be positive. Fifth point, in question tags we use short forms of the negatives. Negatives के always we write short forms जैसे haven't, want. So this is the short form for not. Have not, haven't. Will not, won't. Did not, didn't. Are not, aren't and so on. The question tag for I am is aren't I. Am I right? Aren't I? Instead of aren't I, one can also use ain't I. So instead of writing aren't I, we can also write ain't I. After a positive command, we can use will you or want you. Both will be correct. If we use will you or want you, both can be used. Please sit here, will you? Please come here, want you? Please bring your identity card, will you? Please switch on the light, will you? After negative commands, we use will you. So, if the command is negative, then we will use only will you. Don't forget to wake me up, will you? Don't forget to switch on the geyser, will you? After let us, we use shall we. Let us sit in the sun, shall we? Let us wait for him, shall we? Let us go out, shall we? Let us watch a movie, shall we? So, if the sentence begins with these words, let us, तो हमें क्या use करना है? We have to use shall we. Now here are some sentences with question tags. First one, she didn't contact him. Did she? Didn't is negative, that's why we have used positive question tag. And the subject is she, that's why we have written she. You are not upset, are you? So here are not is given, that's why positive question tag is used, are. And subject you is taken. Third, they are not tired. Are not, that's why we will change it to are, and subject we are going to write after the auxiliary verb. Are they? The fruits are fresh, aren't they? You called me up in the morning, didn't you? Now see over here, called is simple past tense. That's why we will use did. Okay? Here the statement is positive, that's why the question tag will be negative. Didn't you? You all attended the award ceremony. Here also the verb attended is simple past tense, and that's why we will use did. Statement is positive, so question tag will be negative. Didn't you? Seventh, she looked gorgeous. Didn't she? Again, the verb is in simple past tense, that's why did is used. Eighth, I have given you the papers, haven't I? Ninth, you have completed your project, haven't you? 10th, this is a beautiful vase, isn't it? Now exercise A. Add appropriate question tags to the following statements. First one, these students are really intelligent. Here are is given and statement is positive, so aren't. Students is plural, that's why the pronoun will be they. These students are really intelligent, aren't they? Instead of full stop, we will put comma, and at the end we will put question mark. Second, do call me, won't you? Third, I'm absolutely right, aren't I? Fourth, she was not being truthful, was she? See, negative sentence, so the question tag will be positive. Fifth one, your book is widely read. Is the auxiliary verb, that's why isn't. Now book is a thing, and that's why the pronoun here used is it. Sixth, my servant is very talkative. Isn't he? A man servant and maid servant. That way two genders are given. But over here only servant is written, so you may write he or she. 7. We should not violate traffic rules. Should is the auxiliary verb, so should and subject we. 8. The earthquake in Japan was a great tragedy. Auxiliary verb was. So here negative form wasn't. Earthquake in Japan. So we are talking about earthquake in Japan. Okay, subject is earthquake. That's why pronoun it has been used. 9th, her parents have left for London. See the auxiliary verb have. Statement is positive. So negative question tag haven't. Parents is plural. That's why pronoun they. 10th, please stand here. Want you? Or you can also write will you. But to avoid the confusion, it will be better if you write want you. 11th, we cannot travel at night. Can we? 12. Indians show unity in diversity. Indians do show unity in diversity. So do is the auxiliary verb. It is not written but it is implied, that is understood. So auxiliary verb will be don't, they. 13th. He is scared of the dark. Isn't he? 14th. The train is late. Isn't it? Because the auxiliary verb is already given. 15th. Let us go for a walk. Shall we? We know that sentences that begin with let us, for those sentences we use shall we. Over here the chapter is complete.